Hey, what's up everybody on YouTube? Today we have a look at the Yeezy QNTM Barium as well as an on foot right after this. Welcome back. I'm thankful that you guys are checking out this channel and checking out this review. If you like what you see today, go ahead, leave me a comment, smash that like button, and also make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 and it really helps when you guys do that. As you guys can see here, we're gonna start off with this box. This is the Yeezy QNTM box. It's not like your traditional other ones where it says 350 or 700 or whatever other number Yeezy's gonna throw out there. We have one that just says QNTM on there, and these are in a 10.5. I got these off the Adidas website. I got lucky, got through, and was able to purchase. So just a reminder that these were actually meant for basketball. Like, they had basketball in mind, so it's gonna have some basketball features in this shoe. And so here they are, and they are pretty good. Like, this is also kind of like a first reactions video. And you know, from the pictures and what I saw online, I thought these shoes were gonna be kind of ugly and just kind of gross. Like, I don't know, it's just pretty, it wasn't really my style. It is a very unique design. It has a lot of different features, and I want to go through those features with you. So starting off on the soles, we have a wavy kind of traction pattern in a cream colorway, and then you have the boost right there, and it almost looks like it's fake boost because it's so imprinted. I've never seen it imprinted with the word boost, so that's actually pretty cool. And you know, it seems like there'll be decent traction if you were to play. I don't suggest that you play in these because these aren't actually basketball, like certified for basketball yet. Yeah, even like these deep grooves, it just looks like it's gonna collect a lot of dust, but it also looks like the traction would last a long time. And kind of just moving up to the midsole, you have a caged boost all the way around. And part of it's covered with this heel counter, which we'll get into later. And it's just almost like a clear see-through one, and nothing super special. It does constrict how much the boost can expand on the shoe. And so other than that, we also have this heel counter in place. So this is a heel counter, is something that is supposed to keep your heel in place so you're not going left or right, not spraining your ankle. So you got a big fat one that goes all the way around, that is two-toned, and it's seems like this plastic material, but a little bit nicer than plastic. And moving to the toe box right here, we have a pretty decent suede. It's not super premium, but I would guess in basketball it would be a toe guard, so in case you drag your feet or you're someone who likes to do that, then you'll be covered right there. Along the mid panel on the medial side, you have these interesting plasticky see-through waves, I guess I would call it. It has a cool effect, and it kind of might help contain the foot as you're going laterally back and forth. It might kind of give it a little bit more of a construction, but other than that, I think it's more for a aesthetic purpose. Moving to the tongue, we have a booty neoprene construction right here. So you just kind of slip your foot in, and it's supposed to hug it like a sock. And it's neoprene all the way down. It's pretty thick neoprene too, so at least that's a good thing. It's not going to be something that's going to rip on you or anything like that. And you also have little hits of suede on the inside for where the extra eyelet is, for if you ever want to, you know, tie your shoes up that way. And kind of moving around there by the collars, you also have this other neoprene material with some you know, kind of plastic overlays just to kind of keep the stitching covered up and all that, and then also a little more neoprene in the back of the heel so that you kind of have an all-around foot comfort. That's kind of what the shoe is. I hope you've enjoyed the kind of close-up, and we're just going to throw in an on foot right here for you guys. And during this on foot, I'm sorry for the light. I know you can't really see the soles, but it does give you a good look at what they look like on the uppers. And also something that was kind of annoying that I didn't really like about this shoe is just the lacing system. I know it's a one piece, you know, tongue. It's just a booty construction, and it just didn't really feel like it hugged my foot, if you know what I mean. Like usually it's supposed to be like a sock-like fit and comfortable, but these kind of have this weird piece right here that it just kind of scratches, and it just does not feel good. It doesn't really feel comfortable, and it also doesn't look good laced up all the way up top. As you guys can see right here, it's kind of just looks ugly. It goes on my foot, on my sock, and it's not the most comfortable, but the Boost is comfortable. And actually these kind of grew on me after I put them on foot. They definitely look a lot better than I thought, and I think that they would actually look really good with those pants that kind of, the button pants where they kind of drape over the shoe. I think that would look really good with this shoe. Here's your look at the Yeezy QNTM Barium. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And if you guys are interested in this content, make sure to subscribe, check back. I do mystery boxes and sneakers reselling educational videos. So I appreciate you all, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.